Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install this wheel spacers for Honda. So easy, safe to run with BONOSS wheel spacers.
Honda wheel spacers are safe to use. They were accessories for performance upgrades. If you add 20mm spacers on each wheel, then the total track width will increase about 40mm. By enlarging the track width, this Honda wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. Additionally, BONOSS Forge active cooling Honda wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. A brake fade occurs when the brakes heat up under long hard applications. In this case, BONOSS Forge active cooling Honda wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.